TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 100, Nasdaq is up 69, S&Ps are up 18. You have the gold contract down $7.80. Now, gold's at $11.90, folks. Okay, we got into the 1200 area. That was 100% movable move. You can expect to back down here. It is backing down with lighter volume. I expect that to happen week and a half. Then you're going to see another thrust topside. Silver's backing down 20 cents, $15.24. You got platinum down $5 at $9.27. Copper came down 6 pennies yesterday. Didn't break a swing point, however. Down a penny today. It's having a tough time breaking that lower level of $2. I expect this 202 to hold. Light sweet crude. Now, this is the most interesting out here. Why? Because you're pushing into its lows. You had high volume yesterday. You have less volume today. We're at 27.66. Bottom line, it looks to me like this low in the oil contract will actually hold. Why? Because you get the markets up, you get oil equities catching a bid, and this is going to be a big day for oil out here. Bonds. The 10-year note is down 5 ticks. 30-year bond is up 2 ticks. Now, both the 10-year and the 30 yesterday went to all-time highs. They gave it back coming into the close. So where bonds and notes close today is going to be a big number. If they close where they are right now, that is saying that the notes will pull back, the bonds will pull back, which would make total sense because the market wants to go higher. King dollar. King dollar broke a swing point yesterday. Big volume. King dollar is making its way back to the August 24th swing low. Right now we're at 96.37. If we go up and we take a look at the SPY, what you're going to see is this. S&Ps, Dow Industrials, continually have tested the January 20th swing area, dramatically lighter volume. Yesterday, what we did 1.1 billion on the NYSE. That was testing the 1.3 and testing the 1.4 billion. What you're going to see now is that the SPY itself, we're at 187.04. As soon as it gets into 187.20, you can get a run right topside of this consolidation that we're in, and topside is 194.58. So it's a big number when you're talking topside. Now, NDX 100 is a different animal. NDX 100, that broke into lower lows. It's making its way back inside the higher trading range. We are at 98.01. You get to 99, that's going to say, hey, guess what? You get that bounce going to 108.20, so it'll be pretty intense. Bonds. To keep your eye on the bonds, because the bonds basically are going to tell us, is this market going to bounce or not? Bond market right now, we're at 131.05. We've done 880,000 contracts thus far. Yesterday, you hit a big high. We hit 131.24 in the 10-year note, and you couldn't handle the higher price. Big volume. Today, just sideways, bottom line, the 10-year note would have to get under the 130.24 in order to basically say, okay, you're going to have quite a retracement here. Gold contract, what you have with gold, gold made the nice run. You did a 100% move of a move. You're backing down. We had 93,000 contracts. I expect, gold can back down to somewhere into the 1146 area. No big deal. We took off from the 1070 area. So that was quite a run in the context of how we took off. You can absolutely depend on high volatility to stay here. We've been testing those bottoms each and every time, even intraday that we have tested those bottoms, it's held. Yesterday, there were 2 separate tests intraday. Both of them held. What you have out here this morning is that not a retail buyer. There's a buyer that's in here somewhere because you have juice coming into these S&Ps. I suspect right now we're at the 1865 and 1882 is actually game out here today. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.